Hey Liam, did you study English today?
Not yet. I keep putting it off.
Oh no, don't be a procrastinator. Why not study now?
I don't feel like it. I always say I'll do it later, but later never comes.
That's the problem with procrastinating. It makes things harder.
I wish I could change.
You can. Just start with 10 minutes a day. Small steps are easier.
That's a good idea. I'll try studying tonight.
Great. Remember, the sooner you start, the faster you'll improve.
Thanks, Sophia. I'll stop putting it off.
Hey Liam, did you study English today?
Did Sophia ask Liam if he studied Spanish today? Not yet. I keep putting it off. Did Liam study English today? Does Liam keep studying English every day?
Oh no, don't be a procrastinator. Why not study now?
What does Sophia call Liam when he delays studying? Why did Sophia call Liam a procrastinator?